Hey, Sam here, welcome to the special bonus page for Commission Gorilla. Now, something a bit different about this bonus page today. You'll go down and you'll be able to see that this is a different bonus page to what I'd usually create. The reason that is the case is I actually created this through the Commission Gorilla software. It's a software that allows you to create bonus pages really quickly and really easily, and it also does bridge pages. So say, for example, you're sending some traffic from Facebook, it goes to a bridge page that maybe gives some additional information, some extra bonuses, or it's a personal video or review. Then it goes to the sales page, and you send them through that through your affiliate link to the sales page. So you can do a lot with this particular piece of software, and in just a moment I'm going to show you a demo. Obviously, bonus pages are a big part of what I do in my business. I do this across different niches, but particularly in the online marketing niche. You've probably seen, me use this style of bonus page in the online marketing niche. And the reason I do that is it adds value, and it means that my subscribers are going to keep opening my emails because they know that they're getting, above and beyond the information that they would usually get just by going to a sales page for a product. So if you go down below, you'll see again, even more value. You'll see even more down there, and I'm actually going to show you some of the places that I find these bonuses. I'm also going to show you on the video in just a moment where you can find bonuses for yourself, and a couple of little bits and pieces, a few strategies that I've used in the past that have worked really well for me when creating bonuses. So if you're an affiliate marketer or you're looking to do this in your own business to sell your own products, this will be a really useful video for you. Plus, there'll be a demo of Commission Gorilla on top of that as well. So let's go to my computer right now, and I'll see you there. So I thought I'd do something different today. I'm going to show you the software, the demo of it, but I wanted to show you a few of the places that I currently get bonuses from. I also wanted to give you a bit of insight into what goes into creating a really good bonus page. So you'll know my bonus pages. They're like this one the other day you might have seen. This one was for SushiSpot, and I created this to basically show you a bit about SushiSpot. I do a full demo here, and I go into the software. The reason I do that is obviously I want to show exactly what's inside the software so that you have all the information you need in order to make the right decision that fits your business. Okay, if I decided that I was just going to promote a sales page and I was going to say, hey, here's the bonuses in my email, it wouldn't quite have the same effect. And the reason that I do that is that I know where you're coming from, because for me, when I'm opening up products and I'm looking at products to buy myself, I want all the information before making a decision, and I hope that I'm able to inform my visitors about the decision they're making, and you should aim to do the same thing. Often it's not about simply selling, it's about actually providing enough adequate information for the visitor to make the decision whether it's right for them or not, and being okay if they say it's not right for them. So I often include on my bonus pages a lot of information about the product, any details I get about early birds, any details I get that might be exclusive or important, I'll add them in. Then I'll also really clearly lay out my bonus pages so that they have a bonuses that are really cleanly laid out. So I'll add links where necessary to make things more clear, and I usually have these lines splitting up my bonuses. I consistently do this, and I use this design. It may not be the most attractive design in the world, but it definitely is clear. I'll also include upgrades, again, providing all the information that I possibly can. Now, if you're looking to do this for any other niche, it's going to be effective because you're providing information about a product, and you're basically making sure that the visitors that go to the sales page actually have an interest in what they're looking at potentially buying. Now, bonus pages aren't for everyone, but for me, I found them to be a great way to communicate the message that I want to communicate. Also communicate what bonuses I have, and show demonstrations about what's in the software, and give ideas with it. And as a result of that, I'm able to obviously make money as an affiliate through doing that, and you can do the exact same process. So in order to do this process, if you're looking for bonuses or you're looking to promote affiliate products, you need to have some sort of subscriber list. You need to be on Facebook, using these as bridge pages, or you could be on another traffic source depending on what you're doing. You could even be doing this for offline businesses. So once you've got that traffic source, it could be Facebook, it could be your email marketing, and we'll go into that in a little bit. Then you'll need bonuses. Now, one of the best resources that I've found over the time that I've been online is, first of all, emails. All right, so you'll notice that I offer a lot of white label products in my email marketing. When I'm actually marketing or sending an email to you, you'll see inside of that email I'll often add as bonuses white label rights. Now, I usually do that because there's a great opportunity to make money with white label rights. If you're able to sell something as your own, you can make a lot of money doing that. So I often will look to include those bonuses because they're highly valuable, and you probably understand the value of that product, and it is greatly valuable, so it's a no-brainer decision to get it. I do that also because it's the type of product that I would buy, and I buy week to week. I'm often buying 2, 3, 4 white label products on a weekly basis, and some weeks even more. So it's a really big part of my business, and it can be a really good part of your business as well. And one of the bonuses down below is actually a webinar where I show you how to use these white labels correctly. Now, this is another website that will be really useful. It's called super-resell.com. You can actually sign up for this website and you'll be able to then start looking through a bunch of different softwares that you get PLR rights to. Now, these you can actually give away as bonuses, okay, if a purchase is made. Some of them are for personal use, some of them are for bonus use and sales use. You need to check what kind of use the plugin has. This one's personal, for example, so you can only use that yourself. You can't actually give that away on a bonus page or sell it. But often, a lot of these other bonuses are actually master resale rights or resale rights, so you can use these as a bonus in your promotions. The other great place that I go is Warrior Forum. Now, Warrior Forum has a lot of people that run these special offers. There was Warrior special offers, and they actually offer white label rights quite frequently with their offers on the Warrior Forum special offers. When I see that, I purchase. I must have spent tens of thousands, if not at least probably about $10,000 on white label rights products. Okay, and for me it's great because I obviously can sell that as my own. It adds value to the people that buy it. They're great softwares that I purchase usually, and it's a win-win. So that's a good place. Also, searching through Google, when I was first looking for products that I could actually get to offer value and add value to products that I was selling, I looked in Google quite a bit, and you can do that as well by searching for white label rights, PLR, private label rights. You get the point. So Commission Gorilla is a software system that basically gives you the ability to run all of your bonus promotions through this software. So you can run your affiliate marketing promotions, you can run your bridge page promotions if you want to use this to bridge the gap between an offer in Facebook. So traffic comes from Facebook, they see your bridge page, they get information about this, they see the bonuses, they go and buy. You can use this software for it as well. And it is really, really quite cool how they've laid this out. So let me go through the different sections of it right now. First of all, there's the bonus section. Now the bonus section is really cool because it gives you the ability to add your bonuses into a library. So for me, I must have, maybe hundreds of white label products, hundreds of PLR products that I have on offer to give away as bonuses. You've probably seen this as well, and I'm constantly adding to that library. We actually have an Excel spreadsheet where all that information is, and when we need to grab that information, we have to re-add it to my optimized press page, my WordPress page. I have to re-add that information. So say, for example, on this one, the bonuses that were here that were mine, I actually went and grabbed that information from around the web or my database, and I actually added it, okay, from my Excel. I had images in Excel, and I added them here. It was a lot of manual work. This page in itself probably took 1 to 2 hours to actually create. So it does take a bit of time. With this system, you can actually load your bonuses into a library, for example. So I could click here, I can add text about a particular bonus. So one of the bonuses that I offered as a white label recently was VCon Lead. You could actually offer this as a bonus to people that purchase over a certain amount if you got access to that. And you could add information about the bonus. VCon Lead is great. And add more information there. You could bullet point it, and then you can also add an image. So say, for example, I had my VCon lead image. I could then go here. I'm going to upload a image. I'm going to add it in. This is my VCon lead image, and it will be added here. So there we are. So I'll just zoom in a bit. There we are. VCon lead has been added. So I can then save this, and I've got my thanks link here. I can add my thanks link. This automatically generates the thanks link that people will go to after purchasing. And I can basically name this VCon lead extra info. I can put it in a specific category, lead generation bonuses, for example, or I could add a new category or a new niche. I could then change the color of this, and I could upload an image that's associated with this as well. So really cool and easy to use as well. You can then save this And in future, when you want to use this bonus, you've got it in your library. So you can upload all your different bonuses. You could go over to, say, Super Resale, for example. You could grab bonuses off here, add them to your database, fill out all that info, and then use them on the bonus pages you create with the Commission Gorilla system. This is the bonus area here. Now, if I was to create a new page, I can do that, or I can build off a template if I wanted to. So the guys from Commission Gorilla actually gave me a template to build off in this built-in pages. All right, so I was able to click Promote Commission Gorilla, and they actually generated a page for me. Now, I've actually cloned that page, and I've deleted the page they gave me because I'm adding quite a few of my own bonuses to this bonus page. One of the most important things about bonus pages is that you want to add your own bonuses. Don't just grab that, any sort of bonus. Make sure it's really great for your visitors. Okay, if you can make it good for your visitors, then obviously it's a win for everyone. So make sure you put a lot of effort into grabbing bonuses that are going to be really good. So down below, you've got bonuses that I put a lot of thought into that I thought would be really good with this offer. And that's what you should always look to strive to do when you're creating these bonus pages, whether it's for affiliate offers you're promoting over JVZoo, Warrior Forum, ClickBank, or anywhere else. Make sure you're adding a lot of value. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and edit one of these pages and show you the different functionality that it has. So this is one that I've custom built. I started off a template and I've custom built it. It's split up into two editing interfaces, all right? So we've got settings and we've got blocks. You've also got your dashboard here, and you can move items up, you can move them down, you can edit things, you can add images as you want with this system, and it's really easy to use. It's probably one of the most easy site builders that I've actually seen to date. It is very easy to use on this. You can just click something and you don't have to worry about filling out a form. It's just click, enter, click, enter, click, enter. You can add links, you can add colors, you can change components of it. You can add strike throughs. It's all really quite easy to use. There's also quite a few flexible features. So there's page settings, so we can actually name the page. So in this case, it's my Commission Gorilla page. We're able to add my affiliate link, which will be inserted through all of the different parts of this page. I can add custom codes. So say, for example, if I was using Social Pop with this bonus page as well, I could do that. There's pro features. Now, more information about the pro features is down below on this bonus page, so I'm not going to go into that in this demo, but you can see them down there. Basically, you can add an attention bar, okay, a bar that goes across and grabs attention for someone to click. You can add a exit redirect and a countdown timer as well. The countdown timer is a big one. I use countdown timers in all of my different bonus pages. The reason that I do that is it's really clear. It's easy for people that go to the page to understand what's happening, and it's going to mean that you look more professional in doing that as well. All right, so let's keep going. Now we've got page colors. We can adjust the page colors. These are the page colors that go into the background. I've just left them white. And you've also got your bonus delivery page, the file name for that. So it might be Commission Gorilla. Thanks. And don't bother trying that URL because I'll have changed it by the time you see it. Obviously, you could get all my bonuses without buying if you knew the URL. So then you've got the different components that you can add in. So you can add a headline if you want to, really easy. Have you built bonus pages this easily before? So we can add titles, headlines where we want. Again, really easy to edit. We can adjust the size if we want to as well. We can adjust the color, and you're getting the idea about how this kind of works. It really is quite easy. We can adjust the fonts as well, and you can see that we're kind of building this out. Now I'm going to delete that because not the type of look and feel that I'm going for. So we'll go ahead and click this as well. There's a bunch of other components built into here as well. There's spaces, so spaces that give you space between certain components. There's image blocks, right? You can actually add this, you can add an image there, then you can grab an image from Amazon S3. Now probably one of the downsides of the software, probably one part that I think would be really quite cool, and it's a feature that I'll be requesting, is that right now you actually have to upload your images somewhere. So you would have to upload your image to Amazon S3, for example, or you'd have to have your image hosted on a particular website. Say, for example, here, you'll see that every image has a link, a URL. You'd actually have to already have your link uploaded somewhere already in order to add it in. See that? I wish they had a way where you could actually upload your images into it, into this page. That's probably just the one downside that I've really seen with this system. is that it would have been really cool if they could do that. So I'm going to make a feature request to ask them to do that, and I'm sure it's something they're considering right now. You can add images, you can add videos, really easy to add videos, and the videos, again, really easy to edit as well. You just click on the video, it'll play, and you can preview it, or if you want, you can add your embed code in here, add the size, you can make it autoplay if you want to. All the details are in there. Now the bonus block is probably one of the most important components. If we add a bonus block, and then we click to select, you can actually select your bonus. Bang. And your bonus is automatically added into your page. You see how easy that is. So instead of having to manually add these different bonuses all of the time to the system, what you can do is you can have a bunch or a group of bonuses that are always inside of your system, and you can just select those bonuses, meaning that something that may have taken you 1 to 2 hours, like it's taking my team at the moment 1 to 2 hours to create these bonus pages, and for me when I do it manually it's usually about 30 to 45 minutes, sometimes an hour, sometimes 2 hours depending on what it is. That time is saved because you can just select which bonuses you want out of your library. When you get new bonuses, add them to your library, and again, very, very easy. You've got call to action buttons, so buttons that you can customize, and these are buttons that obviously are going to direct people to the affiliate offer or wherever you want people to go to. There might be a part of your bridge page that takes them to your website or somewhere else. You can add countdown timers, all right? Countdown timers that count down the amount of time that's happening for a particular offer. That's actually included in the front end. I didn't realize that. And you've got social sharing. So if you want to engage people with Facebook, Google+, and Twitter, you want people to share your different pages, you're able to do that very easily through this system. Again, really easy to move things around, really easy to edit anything you want. And when you get in here, even if you have next to no experience, you can start customizing components of this. You can edit the different templates that are already built in. You can add images. As you can see here, I've added a bunch of images and a bunch of text, and you can customize anything in here as you want. And if you're doing anything relating to affiliate marketing, I highly recommend getting access to Commission Gorilla. It's probably the most complete bonus system that I've seen to date, and I really like that they've actually created this software because it was something that I personally was looking for, I needed. This system's fast, it's easy to use, it makes sense. You can add thank you links, you can add all of that, all of the other details, and you can preview your bonus page if you want to as well, and it's just really easy to use, and it's one of those things, this can save you a lot of time when previously you would have had to do this manually. So I highly recommend going and getting access to this if you're looking for a system, or if you're doing any sort of affiliate marketing or bridge page marketing. This will be a winner. So go down below, get access to the bonuses that I've got down there that'll help you when you're using Commission Gorilla to do more with it, and hopefully add a few bonuses already into Commission Gorilla that you can take and grab and use right from the get-go. So go down below, check out those, and I look forward to hearing from you again soon. Thank you for watching this video. This is Sam Backer, and I'll talk to you again soon. See you later.